Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can upload or how we can post more than 15-second video to your TikTok. So if you want to upload more than 15 seconds video, you need to upload or post the video from your camera roll instead of recording. I'll show you. So open the TikTok. Mobile photograph and click on as usual the record option. Instead of clicking this button, this red button of recording, we need to click on this option which is upload. So this will give you your camera roll. Okay, I'll again show you. When you click on upload, this will give you your camera roll. Camera roll in the sense these are the videos which are taken from my mobile camera. So what you need to do is open your phone camera. That may be a selfie video or a record video. Record a video of your choice which is more than 15 seconds, and here is a note: you can upload maximum to 1 minute. So more than 15 minutes, maximum 1 minute. You can record a selfie video with your camera roll. For example, I'll show you. Okay, for example, I'll upload you a video which is more than 1 minute. See here, 1 minute 11 seconds. This first video, I'll select this. See here, 60 seconds selected. At bottom you can say something like 60 seconds. So you can scroll the video from right to left to adjust your screen. See, this is the selecting bar. You can get to appropriate point where you want the video to be shown. So this is the maximum. It is 1 minute. You can scroll the video to right to left. In this way you can upload more than 15-second video to the TikTok and up to 1 minute. So this is the video what I have recorded using my camera. So not only this one, you can also upload any video from your phone folder list. For example, if you have done a few TikTok videos and if you download them to your mobile, you can upload 3 or 4 15-second videos from any of the folders. See here, there are no videos here. In that way you can upload. You can just click on multiple here. For example, if you have 3 videos in one of your folder, you can click on this multiple option and you can select 3 and you can click on OK, so that hello, good morning to you all. See here, now I have selected 3 videos. If they are under 1 minute, maybe something like 15 seconds, 15 seconds and 15 seconds, we can upload those 3 videos in this single video. In this way you can upload more than 15-second videos to your TikTok. See here, I'll successfully. Good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see quick tips. सबसे पहले आप see here, finally the video is uploading here, 46% done. So here is the video, 99% done. Yes, video is uploaded. So we'll see it here. Hello, good morning to you all. So this is the video what I uploaded, about 1 minute, to the TikTok. In this way you can also upload up to 1 minimum videos to your TikTok profile. I hope you like this. If you like this, please do share to your other friends so that it may be useful to others who's looking for to upload more than 15 seconds. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.